Hi guys, it's Tan with Ergo-Flex. Today we're going to be going over a rundown of the SomaCharge PEMF.
To set up a patient on the SomaCharge PEMF, you must first run through the pre-session checklist to ensure they are an eligible client to receive this therapy. This can be found alongside the protocol list in the Ergo-Flex Resource Center.
It's important that you go through this with each client before completing a session to ensure that they have no electronics on them, and going through all the rest of the details here, this is going to be available to you guys as a resource. In addition to that, the quick start protocol on the back here is going to be a general starting point for what particular treatment focus, like if we're focusing on the knees or the shoulders, what attachment to use, what starting intensity to use, and frequency. That's meant to be a starting point and definitely can be altered to meet the client at their comfort level.
Once we have ensured the client is eligible, has all electronics removed, and what area of the body the client would like to target, we can attach the appropriate attachment for the session.
Okay, when you're changing out attachments for your SomaCharge PEMF, the most important thing is that you turn the power off.
Changing attachments while the unit is on can cause electrical damage to the machine or the attachment. It may also cause an unexpected pulse while you are handling it. Be sure the unit is off before switching attachments.
When you're changing the attachment, you're going to take your attachment piece like so and make sure that it is lifted all the way up. Then you'll slide it into these two prongs, and you'll notice that that lever will start to move down slightly. Once it does that, you can assist it all the way down and push this tab so that it locks. When you're locked in like this, you can give it a quick jostle, make sure that nothing is loose, and turn the power back on to use that attachment.
A quick reminder from your user manual that you should never place an applied attachment on top of the SomaCharge unit when it is on and running, as this may result in damage to your SomaCharge unit due to the magnetic field intensity.
We're going to turn on our system and wait for our screen to start up. Once you see the white SomaCharge screen, you can click it once and your home screen will pop up.
Now your client is ready to start their session. Again, you can use your protocol list as a guide on what mode, time, intensity, and frequency to set your client up on. Now, we'll review each of the 4 attachments included with your SomaCharge purchase, starting with the highest magnetic field strength and ending with the lowest. We'll also discuss the recommended applications for each attachment.
So here we have the butterfly rings. These are going to be your most powerful attachment on the SomaCharge PEMF with 24,700 gauss. Great for targeting specific local areas like the shoulder, the hip, the knee, and a plethora of other body parts. The main thing that you want to do here is make sure that the 2 colors are facing the same direction. So in an example where we're treating a knee or focusing our PEMF on the knee joint, a few different options. The main thing with the butterfly rings is you want to make sure that the same colors are facing the same direction, so gray and gray. We could sandwich the knee like this, or like this. And each one is going to kind of target a different muscle group, so these can be adjusted to pay particular attention to whatever is needed for that particular client. The other thing that you can do is stack both loops on top of one another like this and place it under or over the knee, as well as other regions like the shoulder, the ankle, wrist, you name it. Next up, we have the cube attachment with your SomaCharge PEMF. This has 17,000 gauss and has the ability for pelvic floor attention, urinary incontinence, ED, you name it, your abdomen. You can actually hold it over a particular region. Same thing with the lumbar area. You can target your thighs, put your thighs over it, whether you're in a lounger or a chair, and even put your feet on it. So great for folks that have lack of blood flow to those particular extremities, help stimulate the nerves and blood flow in those feet. So with the cube attachment here, we have that 17,000 gauss available to us, and we're using it to help stimulate blood flow to the feet. Next up, we're going to be talking about the large loop or large ring attachment. This has
8,900
gauss, quite powerful, great for vagus nerve stimulation as well as kind of the cervical region of the neck. You can use this for shoulder or even hip issues, rolling it up like a pants leg. So a lot of different applications for this. If you wanted to, and you have the smart mattress attachment or even a simple chair, you can use it to target the lower lumbar area or even the glutes. So a lot of different options and applications for the large ring. All right, so this is your smart mattress attachment at 8,300 gauss. This is without the protective cover on it, so you should either A, be able to slide this into the protective cover, or B, have it already embedded into your Oasis lounger for more comfort. Great for a full body systemic approach to stimulate things like neuropathy, vagus nerve. Great for doing this before sleep and just helping kind of circulation and your cells revitalize and recharge. With your smart mattress attachment, you can use it on an existing table in your clinic or an existing chair like this.
Now, if you have any questions or need further assistance with your SomaCharge, feel free to call us at 936-588-5510. Thank you.